Hey, this is Space from spacesboxbox.com, and my name's Michael Gouldy, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop today from whatever storage is in there to a new storage level. My laptop is a Gigabyte laptop, gamers, and I got 8 gigs of DDR3 memory for it. Unfortunately, I didn't buy the laptop when it was DDR4 yet, so this is a couple years old, and we'll show you how to upgrade your laptop. You can still do this with a DDR4 or 5 or whatever it comes out next. It's basically the same process. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the video.
Welcome to spacesbox.com, michaelgouldy.com, and spacesbox.com, and YouTube Spaces.
The first thing you need to do is you got your RAM, you got a screwdriver set, then you got your laptop. On your laptop, some laptops have card out areas where the memory would be inserted if they have easy to do that. This one does not, so I have to take all the screws out of the back, and after I do that, we'll let you look at it. It's going to take me a couple minutes. On the RAM, make sure the RAM matches your memory, your speed of your RAM, your speed of your computer, and the type of the computer. So you want DDR3 for DDR3 laptops. If yours is a DDR4, you'd have DDR4. Crucial has a map for it. You can go to Crucial, I'll put a link up, and it will actually tell you what type of memory you need for your laptop. And when you get your screws all undone, you have to use like a screwdriver to kind of pop up the back, and then you take the back off, and there's the computer. I have a micro SSD here. It's not an M4, it's an older laptop. I have a 1 terabyte hard drive, I have a CD-ROM, and this is the memory, and this is the fan. And it's a GTX 970 processor video card. Okay, the next thing we need to do is find out your RAM. See, you look at your RAM, and this is a Crucial one I have, Crucial. You have to look in here and see how it mounts in. This one has long and then short. So this is long and then short, so we have to flip it over. Then we put in till it stops, and then just press down on it till it clicks. Then it's installed. So this now machine will have 16 gigs versus 8. I'm using it to do some video editing and some other stuff, so I thought I needed more RAM. And I initially started out with 8, and I wanted to upgrade. And memory is one of the few things you can upgrade on a laptop. And before you put your memory in, usually you want to touch the metal part to type ground you so you don't do static discharge. The next process is, since you have the RAM installed, there's nothing else serviceable in this machine other than replacing the memory for the SSD if I decide to later with a micro SSD or a hard drive. I'll put the cover back on, wait till it snaps. After it snaps, I need to put my screws back in, so we'll do that, and then we'll get to test it and see how it works. The next thing you do after you put back your laptop all back together and you know everything's there, this was not filmed or sponsored by Crucial, but I did use Crucial because they were cheap memory on Amazon.com. and you push power to it. You push power to it. The old computers would actually go up and tell you if the RAM was checking good. These newer ones, I guess they do a check and then they just work. We'll see if it has the extra RAM in it here in a second. And it says it has 16 gigs of RAM.
Hey, if you like this video, please click subscribe. Like it or not like it.